A few days ago, we got a package from Gearbest, and this is what they sent to us. This is the Redmi AirDots, a true wireless earphone. Inside the box, we have this for ear tip sizes and also only the cradle itself alongside with the AirDots itself. So today we're going to tell you how this thing works in terms of features and sound quality, and also how much it costs and where to buy them. First of all, the box, again, it only comes with these two things. They are important. No cable too, so we'll just put that aside. Here you get a total of 3 ear tip sizes. 2 of them are in here. We got it in black color. When you first get this thing, it's, well, no surprise that this thing is made out of plastic, entirely out of plastic, even the earbuds themselves. How you pair to your phone when you first bought it is that you just take it out, leave them on your finger or whatever. You can see that the lights are blinking in white. That means it is in pairing mode. So what you do is take your phone, I got a Mi 9 here, open my Bluetooth settings as usual and pair with the AirDots _R because the right side is the master side. Okay, so once you paired your Redmi AirDots with your phone, here's what you can do. Just put them on your ears, and then you can actually press either side's button. Of course, there's a button on either side of the AirDots, so you can just press once to play and pause your music. Like now, it's already playing my music. And the second feature that you can do with this button is you can double press and then it brings up Google Assistant. In terms of features, the buttons don't really do much. You cannot long press or do anything else to control music. You can only play or pause your music by a single short touch. The battery indicators are very easy to understand. First of all, there is a red or white LED inside each of the AirDot itself. So when you put it back in, red means it's charging. Once it's charged finished, it will turn white. And as for the cradle itself, you can actually see LEDs underneath it when you plug it in. So I got a micro USB cable. This thing charges through micro USB. Once you plug it in, you can see there is light at the front here. This red LED means that it is charging, but once it's charged completely, it will not have any other light. So if you want to pair the Redmi AirDots to another device, here's what you can do. You have to take them out of the cradle, long press them, and then you will see red light flashing. That means it's turned off. And yep, that means it's turned off. And then you have to press, long press again until it turns on. Continue holding it, and then it will flash. Yeah, that flash means it's in pairing mode. You can let go now and pair with your new device. So if you want to factory reset your Redmi AirDots to make it look brand new, or you just want to sell to anyone else in the future, here's what you can do. Take it out of the cradle again, long press the button until it flashes red to turn off. And now you have to long press for about 15 seconds and it will flash once and then flash again a second time for white LED. So you can wait for a while, flash once, and then second time. Okay, so now it's factory reset. Put it back in the cradle for a while, take it back out because of syncing process, by the way. And now you can pair with your other device. So in terms of sound quality, the Redmi AirDots is not entirely flat. It's quite bassy actually. The trebles are surprisingly good. The bass is surprisingly heavy as well. And for the price you pay for, it's actually pretty good. And it also supports Bluetooth 5.0, but it is not supported by aptX. So do expect latency, and this is definitely not for gaming. And though it is very lightweight and very comfortable to wear, as you can see here, it's just like I am not wearing anything, and shaking your head around means that it will not fall off as well. In terms of battery life, the Redmi AirDots can last for about 4 hours. Well, compared to what we have reviewed previously, like the Studio 12, this is definitely not the best in battery life. But for the price is exciting. So with all things considered, the Redmi AirDots is priced at about 88 ringgit or $27 on Gearbest, of course. And I have to say, it is very affordable and you can just pick one up and you don't really have to worry about losing it or just losing one of the AirDot itself, because it is just that affordable and, well, it's not that heart-wrenching if you just lose one of it. It's pretty good. I mean, Xiaomi has a very compelling offer here, and I will leave links to buy this in the description below. And yeah, that's pretty much for this video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. I will answer them and I will see you in the next video. Bye.